Welcome. In this video I will show you how to solve the issue when the LED indicator on your Helio Ring charger starts glowing red. So first of all, try simply resetting the ring on your charger. So remove the ring from your charging dock. Remove the USB cable from your charging dock, then wait for a couple of moments. Plug the cable back into the charging ring, and then try placing your ring back on the charger. And if this doesn't help you, then try swapping the power supply. So maybe the problem is that your charger does not supply enough power to your ring, and you're gonna have to try to use another one. So just try to replace the charging cable and plug it back into the charging port. If this doesn't help, you can also try performing a manual factory reset operation. To do so, on your smartphone, first unpair the charging ring by going to device section, then select unpair, confirm, wait until your smartphone is unpaired, remove the ring from the charging dock, then remove the USB cable from it. Then you have to plug in the charging cable, place the ring back on its place, then prepare some sort of a pin or a similar tool. Locate the tiny reset hole next to your charging port on the charging dock, and then insert the pin into this hole and keep holding it for about 10 seconds. And after that, your charger should start pulsating blue color, and all the settings on your ring will be reset. Now, if this didn't help you, then at this point this must be some sort of hardware issue with your charging dock or your ring. Some of them, one of them might be either simply frozen, or maybe there is some bigger issue with them. Maybe there are some less likely occurrent hardware damages inside one of these devices, and at this point you should contact the AMAZFIT customer support center and ask for the replacement of your ring. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.